Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to log in to a LinkedIn account on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet by Wi-Fi or by mobile data. And after the next step, tap on this application, LinkedIn application. And if you want to log in, you just have to enter your email and the password of your LinkedIn account here guys. And I have logged in before, so it's look like this. You just have to tap on this first option, which is your account if you have logged in before. And now it will be logged automatically. But here I'm going to show you a tutorial how to log in if you never logged in before. I'm going to sign it out first. It will be look like this guys. You just have to enter here for your email or your phone, and then at the next column enter your password. Here I'm gonna enter it first by my email that connected to my LinkedIn, and after here for the password. Now just tap on this continue. If you wanna remember the password, you just have to checklist this remember me, so you can log in automatically like before you guys. You just have to tap on the account at a login page. I'm gonna tap on continue and it will log in like this. For the pop-up, you can set your password to the Google. Here I'm gonna tap on never. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.